Hi everyone, let's take a look at the following example. Solve by elimination. Negative 3x plus 7y equals to negative 16. You can name this equation number 1. Negative 9x plus 5y equal to 16. You can name this equation number 2. Now when it comes to solve by elimination, there are many different techniques, and I would say in general there are two major concepts. So concept number 1 is if you want to eliminate, let's say x, or you eliminate y, if they're the same, then you have to subtract. But if they're opposite, you have to add. I'm going to demonstrate this in a moment. So by inspection, there's a negative 3x and a negative 9x, and my goal is to eliminate x. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3. This is going to be 3 times negative 3x, negative 9x. 3 times 7, that's going to be 21y. 3 times negative 16, which is negative 48. If you like, you can call this equation 1a. I'm going to copy equation number 2 underneath. And now what happens is I can subtract. Why am I subtracting? Because these are the same, right? So again, if you think about negative 9x, they are the same. Therefore, you subtract. Negative 9x minus negative 9x is going to be 0. 21 minus 5 is going to be 16. So in this case, 16y. Negative 48 minus 16 is negative 64. Now, don't forget the opposite of multiplying by 16 is to divide by 16, so y is going to be negative 4. Now, to solve for y, there are many ways of doing it. One approach is you can plug it back in. So let's say I continue here. I can say sub y equal to negative 4 back into number 1. So this is going to be negative 3x plus 7 times negative 4, which equals to negative 16. Again, think about this. You can grab a calculator. You can do mental math. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. Bring it to the right. That's 28 minus 16, which is going to be 12. Again, the opposite of multiplying by negative 3 is to divide by negative 3. 12 divided by negative 3 is going to be negative 4. Now, at this point, I'm going to invite you to double check. How do we know for sure this is right? Spend 1 extra minute. Plug it back in. Negative 3 times negative 4 plus 7 times negative 4. If you kind of look at this, look what happens. This is going to be 12 minus 28, which is going to be negative 16. Again, if you look at the second case, negative 9 times negative 4 plus 5 times negative 4. That's going to be 36 minus 20, which is exactly 16. So by spending 1 extra minute to double check, you know you have the perfect answer. And on an assessment of learning, you just scored 100%. If you find this video meaningful, it's adding value to your math life, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I hope this makes sense.